Welcome to ENA University. You're here right now. It means something inside of you knows the system wasn't built for you to win. And you're right, because here's the truth. The credit agencies don't profit when you win, and the health industry doesn't profit when you heal. Schools don't profit when you're financially free. It's all business. And if you think that playing by their rules is going to set you free, you've already seen how that turns out. I know this because I've experienced it. I started in corporate, working Target, working my way up the ladder, chasing the six-figure salary that I thought was a dream, and I got it. But once I did, I realized that there had to be more to life than just working, earning, and repeating. After long, hard days, I found myself in a low energy state. I struggled to make time for anything after the gym, let alone real effort into starting a business, and I just wanted to do more, but I just couldn't find the energy. Stuck in a constant loop of work, sleep. I'd spend my weekends partying just to escape the 9-to-5 reality, but that escape got old fast and expensive. Everything shifted when I decided to challenge myself to a 60-day detox and lifestyle change. And after those 60 days, I gained mental clarity I had been struggling to sustain. I started reading books, consuming new information, and for the first time I truly felt alive. My energy was back, my productivity was up, and I realized that the food I was consuming was slowing my growth more than I ever knew. As I grew more conscious, my frequency went higher, and people and habits and things that weren't meant for me began to fall away. That was the starting point of my escape from the 9-to-5 grind. And for years, I dedicated every single minute outside of work, building businesses that would one day set me free. Fast forward to today, I've been a full-time entrepreneur for 3 years. I live anywhere the moment takes me, and right now, that's in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. And my mission is simple, and that's to help you do the same, and to give you the tools and the strategy to achieve financial freedom without having to struggle through the same challenges I faced in the beginning. This university is built for hustlers, doers, and parents, and 9-to-5ers, and even the credit pros who tried to spin the wheels and had no success results. If you've been denied credit loans, if you've paid credit repair and saw little to no results, if you're still working 40 hours a week just to live paycheck to paycheck. See, if you tried to find the energy to invest in your health without giving up your favorite foods or living in the gym, but after a long day of work and you're 9-to-5 and you're running on empty, and the thought of building your full-time dream feels impossible, if any of this sounds like you, then you're exactly who we built ENA University for. The problem isn't your effort, it's that no one gave you the blueprint. And that's why ENA University is the bridge between health, wealth, and alignment. And the new way to break the cycle is to create freedom on your own terms, because wealth without health collapses, and health without wealth limits your freedom. And that's why we focus on both. When you join, you'll get access to credit mastery, the blueprint for building and leveraging personal and business credit, the business launch system on how to structure, fund, and create and scale your business the right way, custom protocols for detoxification and restore your energy, focus, and physical alignment so you can operate at your full potential sustainably. You want to unlock spiritual and alignment and unstoppable focus, cash flow strategies, and information that will allow you to grow passive flows of income. This isn't about chasing quick fixes. It's about building lasting freedom. And the total value of what you'll get inside is over $25,000. But today you can join for just $49 a month. But this price is limited for only 24 hours. And after 24 hours, the price will go up to $149 a month. So the choice is yours. You can keep doing what you've always been doing, working harder, chasing credit repair, waiting someday. Or you can join hundreds of others breaking free, living healthier, wealthier, more aligned than ever. If you're interested in this, click the link below and join ENA University for just $49 a day and start your escape plan now.